Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of course creators, Kajabi, Teachable, and Thinkific, three of the biggest online course platforms out there. Whether you're a coach, an educator, a creator, or entrepreneur looking to launch your first course or scale an existing business, this breakdown will help you decide which platform actually fits your needs. And by the end of this video, you'll understand what each tool does, how they differ in features and pricing, their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately which one might be the best for you. Let's get started. Kajabi is an all-in-one business and course platform. It doesn't just let you create courses, it gives you tools to build websites, landing pages, email automation, funnels, membership sites, podcast hosting, analytics, and even affiliate programs, all wrapped into one system. This is why many creators refer to Kajabi as a complete business operating system for digital product creators. How about Teachable? Teachable specializes in online courses and coaching programs, and it's built for people who want to focus on creating training and educational content with less emphasis on advanced marketing, automation, or funnels. Over time, Teachable has added features like email campaigns and student insights, but at its core, it remains course-centric. Then Thinkific. Thinkific sits somewhere in between. It's course creation first, like Teachable, but it also gives you community features, engagement tools, advanced customization, and more robust student analytics, without being as pricey or as all-in-one as Kajabi. Plus, Thinkific even includes a free plan that lets you start without paying anything upfront. All three platforms handle course hosting, student access, payments, drip content, multimedia lessons, and more. But they each do it with a slightly different focus and ideal audience in mind. So what are the main features of each of the platforms? We start with course creation and hosting. Kajabi has a drag and drop course builder and multimedia supports with quizzes and assessments, as well as drip content. Teachable has an intuitive builder, student comments, basic quizzes, lecture comments, and also a course library. And Thinkific has a highly customizable builder, advanced assessments, community spaces, and discussions. In terms of marketing and business tools, Kajabi includes email automation, sales funnels, CRM, affiliate marketing, pipelines, analytics, and even podcast hosting. Teachable has basic marketing integrations and email campaigns, but for serious funnels and automations, you need third-party tools. Then Thinkific offers email marketing, landing pages, and some automation, but not as advanced as Kajabi's full suite. Then when we talk about community engagement, Thinkific stands out with community features and spaces that are built into plans. Kajabi also supports membership communities and groups, but with more business-focused features. While Teachable doesn't have built-in community forums, you would need plugins or external tools. And when we talk about analytics and reporting, Kajabi has deep analytics and conversion tracking. Thinkific also has strong analytics on student engagement and performance, while Teachable has a more basic reporting. So what is the pricing of the three platforms like? Yes, this matters a lot. With Kajabi, there's a basic plan at $143 per month, a growth plan at $199 per month, and the pro plan at $399 per month. With all of this, you have to pay annually. If you pay monthly, the prices go up. Then with Teachable, there's a starter plan at $29 per month. You can try it for free and you have a 7-day free trial. There's a builder plan at $69 per month, a growth plan at $139 per month, and an advanced plan at $309 per month. Now this is a yearly subscription. If you decide to pay monthly, you will pay more. And for Thinkific, it's quite affordable. The basic plan at $36 per month, the start plan at $74 per month, a grow plan at $149 per month, and Thinkific Plus, where you can schedule a call with the Thinkific team to get a tailored plan for your business. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of these platforms. We start with the pros. For Kajabi, it's an all-in-one platform for courses, for funnels, email, and landing pages. You have it all there. It has great analytics and automation and 0 transaction fees. And with Teachable, it is simple and straightforward for course creation. Then Thinkific, It has plans that are quite affordable, and you save more when you do an annual payment than when you do a monthly one. Also, it has robust student engagement tools and analytics. What are the cons like? For Kajabi, it's expensive and it can feel overwhelming if you just want simple courses. For Teachable, it has basic market features compared to the others, and it does not have the community feature built in. And for Thinkific, there are fewer advanced marketing automations like in Kajabi, and the interface may feel less polished than Kajabi for business branding. So we have compared the three. Which is the best? It depends on your goals entirely. So choose Kajabi if you're just wanting a complete business platform. You don't want just a course tool. You want it to be an all-in-one platform. Kajabi is right for you. Then choose Teachable if you're just starting out and you just want straightforward course creation. Your focus is on education primarily rather than big marketing funnels. And if you want a balanced platform that has strong student engagement tools and a bit more learning-centric features than Teachable, then you can choose Thinkific. It's like in the middle. So that's the comparison of the three platforms, Kajabi, Teachable, and Thinkific. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Learn Worlds, Podia, and School. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.